25th, 7th, 2021, I had a dream when I was home in Pacific Northwest with my dog. Suddenly, a big gusty windstorm came. I had to move away from window with my dog. The windstorm is like the one that happened on Columbus Day storm in Portland, which is now known as bomb cyclone. As for dates, it can be this year or a different year in the future. I never get dates on prophetic dreams. I would recommend being always prepared for this. I had an experience during the Columbus Day storm in 1962. After I got home from high school, I remember the barometer was dropping very rapidly before the big windstorm came. That evening, my parents and me was going to Seaside, Oregon, and we stopped at office where my parents had trucking business. When the big windstorm came, the roofing materials were blown off and the gusts was so bad we went home. We had minor damage in our home and many trees were blown down in our neighborhood. We had no electricity for a week. This office visit saved us from any disaster on the way to Seaside. Now, there's the important things you need for any big storm. Always have flashlight and have fresh batteries. Be sure you have enough non-perishable food. Stay indoors. Do not go outside. Move away from windows. Go down into the basement if you have one in your home. Be sure you have barometer and watch for any rapid drop upon coming storm. You can download barometer app for your cell phone. Now these are my prophetic dreams back since 1980s. My dream include Mount St. Helens eruption, San Francisco earthquake, Indonesia earthquake and tsunami, Eagle Creek fires, and more. Time that comes after my dreams is from a couple of weeks to several years. The dreams of riots came at 30 to 35 years, which happened last year.